Welcome to another episode of Stocks to Watch, where we delve into the latest trends and opportunities in the financial world. Today, Greg Isenor, President and CEO of KOG, is with us. The Canadian-based exploration company is making waves in the mining industry, an exciting company to watch, especially given its focus on the world-class Otago Gold District on New Zealand's South Island, a region renowned for its rich mineral resources. KOG has positioned itself strategically with 100% ownership of 4 prospecting and exploration permits. They're trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange currently as KOG. Greg, welcome to the show.
Ashley, thanks very much. I'm pleased to be here and anxious to get going.
Yes, very excited for this conversation. Let's kick it off by talking a little bit more about the Otago Gold District, its history, and really why you chose to operate there.
The Otago Gold Belt, I call it, Otago Gold District, has been producing gold since the mid-1800s, produced gold, alluvial gold, for about 50 years, was a major gold producer, and really was responsible for the city of Dunedin in the South Island being formed. So it's so many indicators of gold in the gold belt, like showings, alluvial gold, old workings, geochem anomalies. It was just ready. And I likened it to the Birimian gold belt in West Africa, where I worked for 25 years. And that had, in 25 years ago, the Birimian had maybe 1 or 2 mines and a lot of potential. Now there's several mines, several major mines, and still the potential there. I look at the Otago Gold Belt as having the same potential. We've been researching it for about 4 years now. And, we've got active, got a land position, and we, as you say, we're public now, did a financing in the middle of another financing and moving ahead.
Very exciting. Let's move on to the Smylers Gold Project. The grades you've identified at this property are very similar to those in the nearby mine.
Right.
Can you talk about those mines and how similar and what the significance is?
The Smylers Gold Project is on strike from the McRae's mine, and the McRae's mine, owned by Oceana, produces about 150,000 ounces a year, on and on. A great producer, a great employer down in that area. Smylers Gold Project is just on strike. The gold in the Otago is hosted by shear zones, long shear zones. I think the Hyde McRae shear zone, which hosts the McRae's mine, is about 8 clicks long. And we're on strike from that. We're on strike on the south and the north. We have drill targets ready to go there. We did drilling there now and have ore grade intersections. And we're going to be stepping off from some of these holes. And the secret is drill a hole, Ashley, find gold, step out from it, show continuity, and move on from there. That's what we're going to do.
Keep it simple. I also understand every drill hole here you've encountered gold mineralization. Recent assay results indicate very strong potential for the discovery of an ore chute on the North Kensington-Williams area. Let's talk about the significance of discovering an ore chute in this region for this particular project.
Exactly. The shear zone that we're talking about is can be 25 to 50 to 75 meters thick, has a hanging wall and a footwall. But within the shear zone, there are interruptions that control the grade of mineralization, and to understand how these interruptions, how these ore chutes actually occur, is just being developed now. And certainly, there's been a major discovery there by Santana Minerals on strike from the Smylers project, where they've outlined about 3 million ounces, 2 grams, something like that. And so we've got some great numbers. We've got on the north extension and the south extension of the McRae's mine, we're ready to drill. And we're getting some great numbers. You're right. You can always hit gold in this shear zone, but to hit economic grades is the challenge.
Fantastic. Gold's been around forever, but I think for our viewers and our listeners, it would be helpful to hear from you, Greg, what the significance is and why it is such an attractive investment.
Right now, we have a low market cap. We have 4 drill-ready projects. The brand new jurisdiction in New Zealand, mining-friendly government, national government. We're at the right place at the right time, Ashley, and we've spent a lot of time getting this going. We've put a lot of effort into the research and picking up the properties we have. We're well positioned with consultants, and we have great contacts over there. So we're financing now, and we'll be getting into a drilling program within months.
And I would have to understand, you said you have great contacts there. I'd have to understand that, potential partnerships are so important with projects like this. Yes?
Exactly. I've been in New Zealand in the 80s drilling. I was back in the 90s, made a lot of contacts there. And we're tied up with RSC Consultants and Hardy Pacific there, who are well versed in the potential of the Otago. And we're working with them exclusively, and they've been a great asset to us. You need these relationships. You're quite right. So it's working well for us.
And of course, with every successful mission, there are risks. So love to hear what the potential risks might be and sort of the strategies to mitigate them.
I guess the main risks are financing, and we've been quite successful in financing. I know my last 4 public companies we were able to finance in West Africa, and we made discoveries and were taken over with 2 of them. So we have a great following in that regard. Permit tenure, getting permits it takes a while in New Zealand, and that's a benefit of having local consultants working for you. And skilled tradesmen, skilled geologists, they're few and far between, and those are the major challenges, hurdles we have to get over.
Yeah, I would have to imagine again that the drilling permits, it's kind of like a hurry up and wait. However, if you have contacts there, as you're saying, good partnership, support from the community, it makes it that much easier. So really, Greg, in 3 short statements, why is KO Gold a compelling investment opportunity right here, right now?
A great team around us. We've done it before. We've made discoveries. We do our homework. We don't get into these projects lightly. We do our homework. Low market cap. We're financed, have a great team around us, and in a great jurisdiction, and with a new pro-mining government there. They're all the attributes to make this company successful.
Sounds like it's well positioned. I'd say the potential for new gold discoveries is high. It makes KO Gold certainly a compelling stock to watch, especially for those interested in the mining sector's growth and opportunities. Gregory Isenor, President and CEO of KO Gold, again, trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange as KOG. Thank you so much for your time, for joining us here on Stocks to Watch. And we really look forward to watching developments come out of your company. Thanks again, Greg.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.